Hello everyone. Thanks to Stephen and Kit introduce the test tower and workshop for us.
And for the past 30 minutes, we gonna have so many questions from our visitors. Now Eric we can talk about the question first.
Yes, I will find the visitors question. The first question is, some people want to know if our freight elevator is safe.
Yes, of course our freight elevator is safe because we have several parts for the safety components in our elevator. The first I will say about the traction machine. Our traction machine is not only have the breaker in the inside, but also we have the UCMP. This UCMP is prevent the cabin to movement by accident. And for the next one, we will have the safety gear in our cabin button. When the speed is too fast for the rated speed, this safety gear will shut down the elevator and stop on the floor. And of course, we have the speed governor and the control box and wire rope. All of these parts combine the elevator as a one part. So no matter what kind of accident it happens, our elevator is safe.
Yes, and the last question is, if some people want to buy the elevators from WINONE, so what information do they apply to us?
The first one, we need to understand about the shaft size, such as the floor height, the pitch, and the overhead, and whether it's with machine room or machine roomless. And the second one, we need to confirm about the loading capacity and the rated speed which our owners and our users want. And the last one, we need to confirm what kind of the configuration you want. Maybe you want some handrail, maybe you want some add the air conditioner, and maybe you need to put the LED or LCD displays in our cabin size.
And also, here's the next question. Some people want to know, how does the elevator work?
Our elevator has a car and a counterweight, which are connected by wiring rope. The wiring rope is driven by the traction machine to make the elevator car and counterweight move up and move down, so the elevator can move on the guide rail. So after introduce our WINONE elevator, I hope that you have a certain understanding in our WINONE factory. And in the future, if you want to know more about WINONE elevator, you can contact with us on the email address in our screen, and send the email to us with your inquiry about elevator.
Tomorrow, Remo and Liliana will introduce the escalator and moving walk to us. And the day after tomorrow, Rachel, Leo, and Stephen will introduce the spare parts of WINONE elevator to you. And next week, also you can come back to our live show, and we will show more of us to everyone.
Finally, thank you for your watching. We will see you tomorrow. WINONE elevator serve you more and know you more.
Thank you.